Hi, welcome back to my universe. I'm Daniela, I'm a fiber artist, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute chicken. It is pretty easy and takes less than 5 minutes. You can also use it as a keychain. So I hope you like it, and let's go to the tutorial. We will start with a magic ring, wrapping our yarn around our fingers, over, under and cross like this. You should end up with the next. Then we will take our hook, go under this yarn, grab the one on the top and pull it around our hook. Then we will grab our yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in our hook like this. Now we will make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. To make 1 single crochet, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, then we will yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. Let's do it one more time. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. So now we have 2 single crochet into the magic ring. We will make 4 more. To finish, we will pull our end yarn to close the magic ring. Now for round 2, we will insert our hook into the first stitch of the round and make 1 single crochet. Now we will insert our hook into the same stitch and do another single crochet. This is called an increase. I'm going to add a stitch marker in the first stitch so that I know when I have to finish, and we will continue doing increases until the end of the round. So remember, make 1 single crochet and insert your hook into the same stitch and do another single crochet. You should end up with 12 stitches. For round 3, we will start with a single crochet. I'm going to add my stitch marker here, and then we are going to make an increase. We will continue doing 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the round. You should end up with 18 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around. This means that we will make 1 single crochet per stitch. At the end of the rounds, you should still have 18 stitches. We will start round 7 with 1 single crochet. I'm going to add my stitch marker in here, and now we are going to make a decrease. To make a decrease, we will look at our stitch. It has 2 loops. We will take only the front loop, that is the one is closer to us. So we will take the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn under, pull through both loops, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. We will continue doing 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round, and you should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. I will start round 8 by adding a stitch marker in the last stitch of our previous round. This is not necessary but will be useful later. And now we will chain 1. To chain, we will yarn over and pull through the loop in our hook. And now we will go with our hook through the first and last stitch of our round. These are the ones that are marked with our stitch marker, and we will go like this. And now we are going to make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, we will take our yarn under, pull through both stitches like this, and also through the loop in our hook like this. It can be a little bit difficult, so take your time. We can now take out both stitch markers, and we will flatten our body a little bit like this, and insert our hook through both sides and do another slip stitch like this. We will now do a last slip stitch like this. And before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 6 and 7, 3 stitches apart. Remember that you can flatten your chicken a little bit to make sure that both eyes are aligned. To continue, we will do another slip stitch as we have been doing. And now in our second slip stitch, we will perform a color change. So insert your hook like this, but instead of yarning under with this yarn, we will take the red color like this, yarn over and pull through both stitches and through the loop in our hook like this. Now we will chain 4, 1, 2, it can be a little bit hard, 3 and 4, and now we will do a slip stitch into the same stitch. So let's go here and make a slip stitch like this. And to finish, we will chain 4 again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will make another slip stitch in the last pair of stitches like this. We can now cut the yarn. I'm also going to use a lighter to burn the end of my thread. Do this only if you are using chenille yarn. And now we are going to fasten off. For this, we will take our hook and pull all of the yarn. I'm now going to cut the white yarn too, and we are going to hide all of the excess yarn like this. To finish, I'm also going to use the red to hide this little white spot, but you don't have to do it if you don't want. Now with yellow yarn, we will embroider our beak between the eyes. In this case, the beak is 1 stitch long. I will go from one side to the other 2 times. So this one would be the first one, and let's do it another time. I'm going to take out the needle through the spot in which I entered like this. And now we are going to add a knot to secure everything. To finish, you can hide the yarn, and we are done with our cute chicken. You can also make a cute keychain like this one. It is super easy and it looks awesome. And there you go. I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember that as always you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That would help me a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!